Welcome back to the WealthX project channel, everyone. My name is Michael, and in today's video, we are going to cover the jobs and service businesses replaced by artificial intelligence, because the rise of automation and artificial intelligence is changing the workforce right now as we speak. So I have compiled a full list of jobs and service businesses that you can access at the wealthxproject.com/list website, and you will be able to go through this entire list. But in this video, I want to explore major segments of the market and tell you a little bit more about this. So number one, automation. Machines are increasingly used for repetitive tasks like assembling cars, packaging food, and sorting goods in warehouses. So jobs requiring automations are at utmost risk, basically. Number two, efficiency. Robots can work faster and more accurately than humans, which reduces the time and cost of production. Super important for employers. Number three, safety. AI is being used for dangerous tasks like welding, painting, working with hazardous materials, promoting safer working conditions. So if you are at one of these jobs, it will probably eventually get replaced by AI. Segment number two, retail and customer service jobs. Self-checkout. Okay, self-service machines are becoming widespread in retail stores, enabling customers to scan and pay for their own purchases. Number two, chatbots. Chatbots provide customer support via chat windows, saving time and money for companies and allowing customers to get help quickly. And number three, online deliveries. Rapidly expanding grocery delivery services are shifting the shopping experience from supermarkets to individuals, reducing the need for traditional retail workers. Next segment, I believe this is the segment number three, data entry and transcription jobs. Okay, so take a look at these factors. Speech recognition. Voice recognition technology is becoming more and more accurate, meaning less human intervention is required to transcribe spoken context into text. OCR technology, optical character recognition, is a form of AI that can convert scanned images into editable text, reducing human error in data entry tasks. RPA software, robotic process automation tools, mimic human actions and can process large amounts of data in a short amount of time, eliminating the need for human data entry. So this is the segment number three. Segment number four, I believe, financial and accounting jobs. So number one, bookkeeping. Machine learning and predictive analytics tools are replacing traditional bookkeeping roles, allowing for more accurate and efficient accounting. Number two, investment management. AI is being used to analyze large data sets and make investment decisions, reducing the need for human oversight. And number three, tax preparation. Software solutions are streamlining tax preparation tasks, making the process more efficient and reducing the number of human errors. Okay, so this is the segment number four. And segment number five, that is prone to being replaced by AI, artificial intelligence, is the legal and consulting services. So we've got applications like e-discovery right now, okay? And this is using pattern recognition and machine learning to sift through large quantities of data in lawsuits and investigations. Contract review, automating the labor-intensive review process and identifying key information in legal agreements. And number three, business intelligence, using algorithms to provide insights and recommendations based on large data sets such as financial data and customer interactions. Okay, and segment number five, I think, transportation and delivery services. So we already have drone deliveries, okay? Delivery drones are taking to the skies, promoting faster and more convenient transportation of goods. Number two, autonomous trucks. Think Tesla. Self-driving trucks can operate around the clock, reducing the number of human drivers needed and increasing efficiency and safety on the roads, to be honest, as well. Electric bike deliveries. Green transportation services are using electric bikes to deliver products, saving time and reducing carbon emissions. And then we have hospitality and food service industries. Like, for example, restaurant automation. Restaurants are introducing self-service kiosks and automation tools to take food orders and process payments. Hotel robots. Robots can perform tasks like greeting guests, delivering room service, and even cleaning rooms. And number three, cooking automation. New technologies allowing restaurants to automate the cooking process. Think RoboChef, for example, reducing the need for human chefs. So guys, comment below this video. What jobs do you think will be replaced by artificial intelligence, AI, in the next, say, 5 to 10 years? And definitely prepare for the future, because automation technology advances, and it is super, super important for individuals and businesses to stay up to date with the latest changes in the workforce, okay? Now, consider joining WealthX Project VIP, simply because we teach skills that are not being replaced by AI, and they will help, the AI will actually help and streamline these skills. So definitely worth checking out. The link will be in the video description below. And also the full list, definitely go to wealthxproject.com/list. And here you will find the list of 50 jobs that are likely to be replaced by AI, and also 50 service-based businesses that I think will be replaced by AI soon as well. So definitely check this out. Comment below the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.